Hey guys, keep 1000. And if you're realising this doesn't really look like it as it usually is, that's my computer setup. Look, on my camcorder. New mad bros. Well, this is what I'm going to be vlogging on from now on. Just at that height, slow motion. Look at this. Yeah. Look at this. Even from here, look at this. Upside down like that. Look, not even holding. Look. If you up on the bar around, there's a bar right there that makes the size go higher and lower. It's like this. So that's it, really. And as well, Happy Christmas! Yeah, did you think I forgot? Do you think I don't live? How did I get this then? So, that's mostly it. Just, chilling. Really good. So, got these. Got some on D. Nah. That's Take Me Home. Oh, no, that's Up All Night. That's Take Me Home. Hey, Santa. That's what I'm talking about. Santa Claus and his little. So, that's mostly it. What's going on? I maybe might be doing some gameplays on my Xbox or my Wii. I tried to do the Wii. Never really worked. Just wait 1 sec. Oh, it's getting into the Christmas spirit. Got to wear that at the beginning of the vlog. So, well, Nerdy Little Gamers is coming out finally. It's gonna be taking a while, but it's coming out. Maybe it's probably gonna be coming out this new year time. So you better be subscribing. And I'm just saying. Congratulations, Dave Chaos. Yes, he hit 100k. Yeah, 100k this Christmas, and he said I could never get a better present than that. So, my present, okay, gonna be doing something called Keegan's Comments. And what I do is I tell comments about what you want of me. So what I'm going to be starting today is going to be, you know, I do a lot of gameplays. Well, not a lot, but here's one thing. Are you going to subscribe to Nerdy Little Gamers? Yes or no down below. There. And subscribe and like. And one of the other ones is, do you like the new YouTube layout? I'm fine with it, but sometimes it bugs me saying, you watch this video, click this video, then it does that, and then it constantly shows you the videos till his first video ever. Whoa, that's pretty cool. Oh yeah. Sorry, getting in motion. Just got this. And tell me, there's going to be 5 of the questions. Tell me if I should go back to my effects or do good HD camera with zoom in and zoom out. I'm just going to do 4 for now, and as well is what game should nerdy little gamers do just for their first video. So, hope you liked it. Wait, oh yeah, mood ring punch. Sorry about that. Headbutt.